Welcome to FAJ International Training Academy, a trusted institute in PWD, Islamabad. We have trained many students who secured their internship and jobs after completing their courses. Let's explore opportunities we offer.
Set up your online store and learn the basics of dropshipping with Shopify. And also understand how to sell product on Amazon using FBA model.
Enhance your creativity by using graphic designing tools, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop.
Learn social media strategies to promote brands and engage audience.
Learn to build your website and start your career as a web developer. And understand how to rank your website higher on Google through SEO techniques.
Learn to edit videos professionally using industry standard softwares.
Discover the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning using Python.
Join FAJ International Training Academy today and take the first step towards your successful career.